Hello! Here is a short guide on how to install the FreedomMusic Player. Inside the box you will find the Freedom Player, a power cable, an AUX cable and an internet cable. Firstly, plug the power cable into a power socket and then connect to the player, labelled Power Cable. Then connect the internet cable to your router and then connect the lead to the player, labelled Internet Cable. You are now ready to connect the player to your amplifier or speaker system. So, plug the AUX cable into the AUX input on your amp. Then, plug the other end of the AUX cable into the headphone socket on the FreedomMusic Player, labelled Speakers. You should now have all the connections in place like so. Make sure you select the AUX channel on your amp or speaker system. FreedomMusic should now start to play. You may need to adjust your volume levels as required. Once the player is connected, or if you need additional assistance, please call our technical team on this number.